Hey, what's up, family? What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? It's been a crazy week for me. I've been doing a lot of retail arbitrage, back and forth, sending things and shopping, so it's been pretty awesome. But as you guys can see, the title of this video, I just want to show you guys a quick find I found on an accident. I spent about $13 and I'm gonna make over $100 profit. Over 100 profit, and I only spent $13, guys. This is insane. Well, $13 or $16. I think it was 13, but whatever it is, the caption and the title of this video, it will be correct. But I spent about 13 to 16 bucks, and I'm going to make over $100 profit. That is like, that's what we all, that's what, like, what I do this for, right? Like, that's like the icing on the cake. I just want to show you guys another one, and you know what? I'm going to continue to show you guys when I find products like this, just because it's motivation. It motivates you. It shows you that this is really true, that this really can happen. You know, like that there's somebody out there really doing this, and you guys can do it too. I pretty much believe now that I can go to any city, any state, and find products like this all the time, because I was in Maryland, I was in DC, I was in Boston, I was in Miami, I was in LA. Like, so I find products like this all the time. The only difference is, when I first started doing this, I wasn't documenting it when I was traveling a little bit with friends and family. So but now I'm gonna travel and document everything. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my life. I haven't been vlogging every day. It's just simply because I don't want to be one of those people that just throw dumb stuff out all the damn time for no reason. I mean, although I do have fun doing dumb stuff, and it's kind of cool, so maybe I might show you guys some of the dumb stuff I do. But for now, guys, I just want to show you guys, you know, just right to the point, some stuff. So without further ado, family, I'm gonna show you how I spent $13 to $16, and I'm gonna make over $100 profit. Let's go in the house right now. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're in the house, and here I have a little black bag. Wow. Really? Really? Like, this little black bag made me over $100 profit, and I did spend $13. I checked it out. I spent 13, and I'm gonna make over 100, maybe 120 in profits, guys. Don't believe me? Do you want to see what's in this black bag? Hey, like the video right now if you want to see what's in this black bag. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now if you want to see what's in this black bag. Subscribe and become a part of the family if you want to see what's in this black bag. I'm going to show you anyway, but I just thought it would be cool to say that. But what is in this black bag that's going to make me over $100 profit? And I only spent $13, and it's this tiny. This tiny. And I got lucky on an accident. I found this at, the thrift store. While out helping my brother do some other stuff, I seen the thrift store. They got some Popeyes for lunch, and I don't eat that stuff, so I just went into the thrift store and accidentally found this. Wasn't even going out to do any retail arbitrage. Crazy. So let's look what's inside. Watch out, Blue. All right, guys, I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. Blue, watch out, watch out, watch out. First thing we have up is a Netgear Powerline adapter for $8, which goes for, oh man, I forgot my cell phone. I'm gonna pause the video right now and go grab my cell phone, but check this out. A Netgear Powerline 100 adapter. Let's see what it goes for. Hey family, I had to take a little pause. This little one is mad at daddy right now, but I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back. You guys see my daughter throwing a fit, but she was having a fit. She wanted daddy's attention. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Hold on, I just dropped my phone. I'm gonna show you guys when I scan this how much the profits are right now. So let's do number one. Where's it at? Where's the barcode? There's the barcode right here, right? Here's the barcode. Let's scan it. We scan it, and boom, there it is. 180 rank. Oh my goodness, this sold yesterday. And look, 180 rank new. It's going for $59. Used, $22. New, $59. And this thing is, well, I didn't open the box yet, but it seems new. If it's not, I'm gonna mark it as used, but for now it's new until I open the box and check it. Yeah, so there you have it. That's the first item, $59. All right, guys, right there, 180 in PC. That's sold already. Okay, that's the first one. You guys thought I was lying? I told you, thrift store. I told you. You guys see the price tag? I got it for $8. I told you. All right, next item. Let's go. Okay, last but not least, bam. Blue, watch out, Blue. A grocery list organizer for $5. And when I scan it, let's scan this. It pops up. Rank, so 1,160 sales rank in office products, which sold yesterday as well. And this one, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Brand new, $83. Used, $31. New, $83. And this one looks as if it's new as well. I didn't open the box yet, but it looks pretty new to me. I'm gonna check it to make sure. And I got that one for $5. So you guys can do my profits. So let's do the profits right now. Let's just put the profits in. I got this one for $5. $78 profit, $78.13. And let's go back to my so that one was $78.13, and we're gonna go to the power line adapter, and we're gonna do the profits on this one. I got this one for $8. 51.63. Okay, so we're gonna go to the calculator. 51.63 plus 78.13. I believe it was right. 78.13. $129.76 profit. $129.76 profit. Thrift store. Two products. And even if I mark those as used, it's not as much, but it's still quadruple as much as what I pay for it. ROI. Crazy, guys. And I do this on a regular basis. I told you. And I'm gonna start posting all the items I find like this, just to show you I continuously find these. So these type of items mixed with the other items that I'm making like 5, 10, 20 bucks on every single day. And then I have a few of these thrown in there every week. Come on, guys. This is how you do it. It's easy. Just find them. Don't stop until you do. There it is. All right, guys. So that's a quick one. Peace and love. You seen it. If you're not a part of the family, you need to be a part of the family. You see what's going on. You see. My daughter don't like you if you ain't a part of the family. So if you watching this and you wasn't subscribed, that's why she was crying. So let's get it going. Let's get it in. Yeah.